How to make Velcro sanding disc with suction hose. You will need a sheet of your preferred grit sanding paper, one of your old sanding discs to use as a template, a pencil or better still, a black marker pen, a hollow punch to match the suction hose size, and finally felt cloth or a similar material that has a short thread length and attaches well to Velcro hooks. Here I am testing some felt cloth left over from Christmas to see if it will work well with a Velcro hook, and all seems good. Draw and cut out a square piece of felt using an old sanding disc for size guidance. This piece needs to be slightly bigger than the old disc. On the reverse side of the sanding paper, draw a square around an old disc. Then fill this square with white glue or any other glue that is good for sticking paper to material. Stick the felt to the paper, then smooth out any ridges and leave it to dry. On the opposing side, draw a circle around your old sanding disc and then cut out the circle using scissors. Place the old sanding disc over your new sanding disc and draw a circle inside each vent hole. I used a pencil, but the graphite lifts easily, so I would recommend using a black marker pen. Here I'm using a 3/8 of an inch hollow punch with a hammer to knock out the holes required on top of an old piece of plywood. A quick check and the new disc seems to be okay, but we need to do a true test to see if it will hold up. 15 minutes of sanding and everything looks good. If you happen to get any felt strands stuck in the Velcro hooks, then they can easily be removed by referring to my other video shown on screen, and the link is also in the description below. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.